Okay, students, we will be studying today what is the transpose of a matrix. Transpose. Suppose A is a matrix, A is any matrix. And if we interchange the rows and columns of A, we will get a new matrix. That is the transpose of A. By interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix, the new matrix we are getting, that is the transpose of the first matrix. You see here, suppose A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if we interchange the rows will become column. First row, 1, 2, 3. The second row will become second column. This is a new matrix. This new matrix is the transpose of the given matrix. Transpose of A. Transpose of A. Now, the transpose of the given matrix A is denoted by, in some text they will be using A dash, sometimes A T, small t, sometimes A T. All these symbols, whenever you are seeing matrix theory, these symbols, it means the transpose of the given matrix. You see, this matrix is, what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. If we interchange, the order will become changed. That is 3 by, will be changing. That is 3 by 2. Therefore, if A is a 2 by 3 matrix, then A transpose will be 3 by 2. You see, once again we will be going to the example and table. The transpose of a matrix is the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix. The transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A dash, A T or A dash. And one more thing, if A is the order of order m by n, then A transpose will be of n by m. The rows and columns will be changed. One more example we can say, suppose the properties also, we will be coming to here. Once again, we will see. Before going to the properties, we will be going for some more examples. Suppose A is the matrix 1, 2, 0, 4. And B is the matrix 5, minus 1, 2, 3. Then what is A plus B? A plus B is equal to adding the corresponding element. Remember that? By adding the corresponding element, that is 6, then 2 plus minus 1, that is 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 3, 7. This is A plus B. What is A plus B transpose? Transpose means if you are interchanging the rows and columns, A plus B transpose. The first row will become the first, this will be 6, 2, then 1, 7. That is A plus B transpose. Now, what is A transpose? A transpose is, if you are interchanging, what will you get? 1, 0, 2, 4. That is A transpose. What is B transpose? If you are interchanging the rows and columns, then it will be 5, 2, minus 1, 3. What is their sum? Correct? Minus 1. What is their sum? A dash plus B dash. Sum of the transposes. It is again 5 plus 1, 6. Then 2, 1, 7. You see? Both are same. Both are same. A plus B transpose is same as A dash plus B. A transpose plus B transpose. Another example. We go for another example. Suppose A is the matrix 1, 2, 0, 4, 5, minus 3. This is the matrix A. What is A dash? A transpose, if you are taking, what you are going to get? 1, 0, 5, 2, 4, minus 3. This is A transpose. If you are taking transpose once again, the transpose of A transpose. If you are interchanging once again, what we are going to get? We are getting the matrix 1, 2, 0, 4, 5 minus 3. That is same as the matrix A. Therefore, A transpose is A itself. And then we will see the properties here. We are not going to prove all these properties. Just to understand all these properties, whenever you are doing problems, you have to understand the properties. You see, if A and B are any two matrices of suitable orders, then A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. We have seen one example. Another, if A is any matrix and K is any scalar, then K into A transpose is same as first you take transpose, then multiply by K. K, A transpose. Then the third one is, if A is any matrix, then A transpose is A itself. And the fourth one, you can verify with many examples. You just verify, you have to verify also. If A and B are into matrices suitable for multiplication, then AB transpose, the transpose of the product, the order will be reversed. It will be B transpose into A transpose. Remember all these properties once again. A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. And if K is any scalar, K A transpose is K into A transpose. The transpose of A transpose itself, A transpose is A. And if A and B are any two matrices, then AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Then the next some definitions we are going. If a square matrix is said to be symmetric, if A transpose equal to A. You see the sentence? A matrix, a square matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. If you are interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix, if you are getting the same matrix as the answer, then that matrix is a symmetric matrix. You see one example. The matrix A is matrix 3, 2, 2, 4. If you are interchanging the rows and columns, A transpose, that is also 3, 2, 2, 4. That is A itself. Another example, if A is the matrix 4, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 5, 0. Then A transpose, if you interchange the first row into first column, second row, second column, and then we will get the same matrix as answer. Such matrices are called, what we are calling, symmetric. If the transpose of a matrix is the same matrix, then it is symmetric. Then what will happen? You see here, you please note this. If A is the matrix Aij, then Aij equal to Aj. You see the first row, first element, second element, A12 will be same as A21. You see, A12 is same as A21. Here also, A12 is same as A21. The third row, third column, first row, we call it as A13. It is same as A31. These two are equal. These two are equal. These two are equal. Then only the matrix can be symmetric. That it is very important. If a matrix is Aij is symmetric only when if Aij equal to Aj. It means A21, second row, first element will be same as first row, second element. Third element of first row will be same as the first element of third row. Then only the matrix can be symmetric. Next, then we can see what is skew symmetric. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if the transpose of that matrix is minus of A. You see, a matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus of A. You see, example here. If A is the matrix 0, minus 3 and 3, 0, if you are interchanging the rows and columns, we are getting the transpose. 0, 3, minus 3. If you are taking one minus outside, then what will get? 0, minus 3, 3, 0. You see, that is minus of A only. This is A only. Here also you can say, if A equal to 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 5, minus 2, 5, 0, then A transpose, if you interchanging the first row into first column, second row, second column, third into third column, then we are getting minus of this matrix. That is, minus this matrix is what we call skew symmetric. If the transpose of a matrix is the minus of, negative of the given matrix, that matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. What happens in skew symmetric matrix? In symmetric matrix, what happened? Aij equal to Aji. But here, it should be the negative of that. Minus 1, if here minus 1 here, it will be 1. If it is 2, then here minus 2. It is the third element of here, it will be 5. It means Aij equal to minus of Aj. And in particular, you see, all the diagonal elements must be 0. If all the diagonal elements 0 and this, then only that matrix will be skew symmetric. Therefore, two types of matrix. One is symmetric. Symmetric means the transpose that is same only. A transpose is A, then symmetric. If A transpose equal to minus A, then it is skew symmetric. Then we will go for another. Suppose if A is any matrix, any square matrix, any square matrix, or any other matrix, we can say, then A plus A transpose. It is applicable for any matrix. In particular, square, it is applicable for matrix. If A plus A dash. You see, what is the transpose of A plus A dash? A plus A dash is A transpose plus A transpose plus transpose. It is applicable for all matrix. And once again telling, that is A dash plus A dash dash. That is A only. Then by commutative property, we can say A plus A dash. You see. Therefore, the transpose of this matrix is the same matrix. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, we can say that matrix is A plus A dash is symmetric. By definition, symmetric means if we are getting the transpose of a matrix as the same matrix as the answer, then that matrix is symmetric. Therefore, A plus A dash is symmetric. This is applicable for all matrices. Then the other one. What we can say about A minus A transpose? If A is any matrix, then what is A minus A transpose transpose? The transpose of this matrix, that is equal to, we can say A transpose minus A transpose transpose. That is equal to A transpose minus double transpose means same only. If you are taking negative outside, that is minus of A minus A transpose. You see the interesting thing? The transpose of this given matrix is the minus of that matrix. It means that matrix A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Therefore, two important things we have to note. A plus A dash, A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Now, just one more thing we have to note here. Now, what is half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose? What thing we can say this about this matrix? This matrix is symmetric. That we proved. This is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric. And this matrix is skew symmetric. That also we proved. What is the sum of, therefore this matrix is symmetric and this matrix is skew symmetric. What is the sum? That is equal to half we can take outside. A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. Plus A transpose, this we can cancel. Zero matrix will come. Zero matrix will come. That is half into 2 times the matrix A. Therefore, this matrix is A. Therefore, if A is any matrix, it can be represented as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. What is a symmetric matrix? That is half into A plus A transpose. What is a skew symmetric matrix? That is half into A minus A transpose. That here also we can see. If A is any matrix, then A plus A dash is symmetric, A plus A transpose is symmetric, and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Then, if A is any square matrix, then A can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, namely half into A plus A transpose and half into A minus A transpose. This much today we will learn, and please go through the exercise and do all the problems. Thank you.